yo. Pe bu ba yo. Pe bu ba yo. Pe bu ba yo.
We are really excited to host the Alpha Retreat here in such a strong local Southeast Asia people gathering together in Taiwan in the year end of 2025.